door panel off. And I had to remove all the plastic and prop the window up, okay, or prop the glass up. And that's simply because this particular setup, the regulator is bolted to the glass, but you can't unhook it with these 4 torque bits right here. Okay, in fact, I already have one off. So what I'm gonna do is remove the complete panel off of the door. It's held on by all these 10mm bolts. First, you got to remove the harness. You don't have to remove it all the way. Just get it to where it'll be out of your way, because you're gonna lay everything backwards, and that will give you access to the regulator assembly, because it's all we're interested in. Okay. Now you can take it all out and do it the right way, or do it but you know, we press for time here at the dealer, guys. So I am doing this in as fastest way possible. Okay, we're on commission, guys, you gotta understand it, but because I am filming, I would try to get you as much footage as I can. Okay, so let me go grab a 10mm, and these are T30s, and we're gonna start yanking the rest of this off. All right, stay with me, man, let's get it. Alright guys, so we're at the point now where we got the housing or the panel off. I can get to the regulator now, but the thing about it now, guys, we got to get the regulator. We got to separate the connection between the regulator and the glass. And here's how you do this. You see this little tab right here? That is what's holding the glass to the regulator. Okay, let me show you from a different view. Here's the new one. Okay, the glass is just sitting inside this plastic white housing. Okay, so you can take you some small pick or a screwdriver and simply push that in and pick up on the glass. Okay, it's got to go in at the same time, so I will need both of my hands to do this. So let's get it, man. So as you can see, because it's broke, it just mainly came apart. So there's pieces falling. Yeah, it's not all in one piece, guys, because it broke. So that makes for extreme easily removal. All right, there you have it. Okay. Yes, it just busted all the way apart. Now you're gonna install the new one in one piece. All right, so wow. Okay, guys. In fact, one of these stayed into the other part of the glass. Okay, here's the part you have to push in, get it off of the glass. All right, so let me get to installing this. I'm gonna try to film as much as I can, but it's pretty much a reversal of the removal procedure. All right, let's get it, man. Alright guys, forgot I did have a new motor. Okay, here's my new window motor that came with it. They actually come with it, they had to order it separately, but this is fairly simple and fairly straightforward. Just set it in here. Really, I needed to lock the regulator into place so the regulator will not move while I stab the window into its locking position. So just rotate this on a shaft like that and simply install the bolts. Okay, let's get it. All right, got the last bolt in. Now let's stab the window into place. You're dealing with two sides, okay? This left side and the right side. You can't see the right side. Well, you can. You will mainly have to, and I highly advise you do this, guys, especially if this is your first one. Go ahead and remove the speaker. In fact, I want y'all to see this, so I'm going to remove it. All right, guys, I have the speaker removed. Now, here's the other side. This camera was not focused, so what I'm getting ready to do is push the glass down into this retainer, and it's going to lock in place. Here's the right side, here's the left side. So try to push down on the glass evenly, okay? Let's get it. Let's see if we can pull this off, guys. All right, guys, there you have it. As you can see, the window is now attached to the regulator retainers on that side and on that side. Okay, guys, we have that in. Everything else is pretty simple, straightforward. Put all your bolts back on the housing, reroute your electrical harness back the way it's supposed to do, put in the speakers, and you're pretty much done, guys. So I'm gonna wrap this video up. All right, we have just replaced the driver's side window motor and regulator assembly. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.